is Jay with Trader X, and today I'm going to go over another day trading recap with you guys. So today, I only ended up taking 2 day trades, and I ended the day up $13.51, so I'm going to go over that with you right now. So the first trade I took was ticker symbol WNW, and it was at 6:41 in the morning. So if you go to ticker symbol WNW, you can see that, like yesterday, it's a very volatile stock, meaning it pushes up a lot. If you go on the bigger time frame, this thing pushes like 40% on its biggest candles. So I saw opportunity with that today, but unfortunately, this stock only popped up on the top gappers for my scanner once the stock already had this big green bar over here. If I zoom in on that, this bar right here was around a 20% push almost. So once it had that big push, it finally hit my scanner on one of the top gappers for the day. And I ended up seeing it after that happened. And I watched it as the stock fell. And I did not send it, even though I probably should have, right here around this area. And because I didn't send it when it dipped, it pushed up another 18%. And I honestly got FOMO because I didn't get in earlier with this big push and I saw it happen. So I decided to buy the dip again. Once it fell around here, I got filled at 199, and then it ended up just flushing down, and I stopped out for 5.7% loss. I was trading with $1,000. So unfortunately, what I could have done better is just acknowledge that this stock had a strong resistance level around here, and once it hits this level, it tends to flush back down. So I should have been more real with myself and walked away knowing it already gapped up so high. And the other stock I traded was ticker symbol ATXI. So if we go here, so this stock I ended up only trading with $500 I bought in instead of $1,000, because if you see these red candles like around this area, one little drop like that is already like a 8.5% drop, and that's very big even for $1,000. So if I got in with $500, I can give myself more space, and I would have given myself 10%. So it's just being more real with myself on how volatile these candles are. So if I want to trade something like this, I can always just scale down. And I saw a lot of upside for this stock too. It passed that green SMA line that acts as a resistance over here, and it typically will confirm that it's uptrending, and it had a lot of room to go today. So as you can see, it ended up hitting the top gappers on the list too, because they had these huge pushes. As you can see here, if you bought around these areas, this is like a 40 to 50% push you could have made and more. And my trades aren't popping up, but let me pull them up quick right here. You can see that I bought in once the stock had already pushed up high up to this top VWAP level, this resistance level. Consistently would trade between this middle VWAP and top VWAP. So it would approach this top VWAP, it would flush back down, and then use this as a support to keep going higher. And once it did that again and pushed back down, I was watching it, and I got in at the price of 0.99, as you can see here. And the stock actually halted down after I bought in, and meaning it flushed down so fast, 20%, within a few minutes, that the stock stopped trading for about 5 minutes, but I got filled right before it did. And once it resumed trading again, I was able to sell up here at 1.13 for a solid like 14% return on this big green candle, and I walked away with $70 using $500, so that was a 14% trade. And this was just a good opportunity and consistent uptrend of a pattern, trading between the top VWAP and middle VWAP, which is why I saw potential for it. And when the stock moves with this much volatility, it's very attractive in the market, so a lot of people would be trading it, and I felt confident getting in at a dip and selling at a possible resistance area, because for all I know, this could have been the highs of the day since it pushed up a lot, which it ended up being a resistance area later on too. Alright guys, this has been another day trading recap, and thank you all for watching.